Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.4860, which I have already explained you. Chances are very high we can see a further fall, because if you look at this particular chart, there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, and there will be a probability that it will touch a level of $2.216, and from there it will cross a level of around $2 also. After crossing a level of $2.16, it can cross a level of $2. Keep that in mind, there is a higher chances of it. Okay, second thing is that this pattern is also being created here. So chances are very high that if the price started moving above a level of 2.75, keep that in mind also, that this is the thing. If it started moving above this particular level, a further upside movement we can see, or if it started moving below this level, which is already moving, okay, so we can see a further fall. Now it is trading below a level of 2.49. Okay, and chances are very high it can go further down. This is on one side of the thing I'm telling you, if the price move above this particular level, but now it is in the downtrend and probability of going further down is there. Okay, now for the people who are being watching it for the first time, remember that there is a trend, or if you want to know how the price of natural gas has moved so far, that after pandemic there is a pattern forming in crude and natural gas, that whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall is coming, and this fall is quite good. After that a swing is formed, that is where it goes upside and make a new high. Okay, and after that what it was doing, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, and then a new high. So after the Ukraine war has come and the Russia war, there is a downfall we have seen. Okay, and then there was a range we have seen in the price of natural gas 3 and 2. As soon as the range breakout happens, we have seen it made a high two times, 3.5 and 3.6. This is the two high we have seen. Okay, till now we have seen that it has not touched this particular level. Trading after October of 23, we have seen this level. Otherwise, there is no upside we have seen. So what we can see before in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stock market trading live live at gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, let's see if the price move further low. Okay, and chances are very high, yes, it will move further down, and we can see it will fall further down and can go towards its next support at a level of $2.440, and if started moving below that particular zone, we will see it will go towards $2.3202. Okay, this is the second support, and once the price started falling below that particular support, chances are very high it will fall below a level of $2.250, which is already being a weak resistance support. So chances are high that it will fall further down and it will go below a level of 2.0721. This 2.0721 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will fall further low and it will touch a level of 1.9 to a level of 1.8. Keep that in mind, there is a higher chances that it will move below a level of $2, and chances of touching 1.9 and 1.8 is there. As soon as it goes below a level of 1.8, we can see it will fall below a level of 1.6 and below a level of 1.6, and it will go towards 1.5. If the price started moving below $2, I'll make another video explaining where it can go. Okay, so overall trend is downside. We can see there will be a further fall till the time price is not going above level of 2.75. Now understand, see, market is all uncertain, you know that. We can see the trend is downside, but see the volatility, so you have to decide your quantity as per that, as well as your SLN target. Okay, if the volatility is much higher in the regular days, so you have to reduce your quantity to half or 1/4. The same way you have to increase your SLN target that way. Okay, now if the price sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards its next resistance of $2.57, and if started going above that particular level, it will go above a level of 2.8176. Okay, and once the price started going above a level of 2.1876, a further upside movement we can see, and then it will cross a level of $3.068. Okay, $3.0468 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross a level of $3.471. Okay, and if started going above that level, it will cross a level of $3.6848. Okay, and this is the level. Once started going up with this level, it will cross that level and it will move further upside. Okay, and chances are very high that it will move above a level of 3.6 and a probability of going towards 3.9619 is there. Okay, and if started moving above that particular level, it will go towards 4.1 to a level of 4.35. That is where we can see the price can go further upside. Okay, now if you have any doubts, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So